Okay, hello. The questions start by asking state whether the following is true or false by differentiation. So we are given this equation and we are trying to find out if it's true or false using differentiation. So we can start from the right side of the equation here. By differentiating this, we should be able to get cosine square x. So let's see. We need to differentiate respect to x since the integral is respect to x as well. Now, when we integrate this, when we take the differentiation of the right side, it would look like this, right? d of dx 1 over 2x plus 1 over 4 sine 2x plus c. C is just a constant because this is indefinite integral. That's why we just have a constant c. If this was a definite integral, we would in C and there would be some value for the limits. So now let's differentiate this. We can start from 1 over 2x. When we take the derivative of 1 over 2x respect to x, we would just get 1 over 2. The x will disappear. Now we are going to differentiate 1 over 4 sine 2x respect to x. We're going to get 1 over 4. The derivative of sine is cosine, so we're going to get cosine. We have 2x, but we also have to remember the chain rule here. Inside here, we have an x, so we are integrating respect to x. So we're going to do the chain rule and we're going to take the derivative of the inside, so that would be 2x. So when we take the derivative of that, we would just get 2. The x will disappear. And c is just a constant. When we take the derivative of c respect to x, we'll just get 0. And we will have something like this. 1 over 2 plus cosine 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 cosine 2x times 2. Yeah, because of the chain rule. 2 will cancel out by 4, so that's just going to be 1 over 2. So we'll have this 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 cosine of 2x. Now we can use a trig identity. We can use this trig identity. Cosine square x equals to cosine. This trig identity is cosine square x cosine 2x plus 1 over 2. So we have our the right side of the derivative. This is what we got, right? Here we're gonna say that equals to the same thing, but we're gonna solve cosine 2x using this. So if you cross multiply by 2, you'll get 2 cosine square. If you do that and solve for cosine 2x, you would get this equation here. 2 cosine square minus 1 will give you this cosine 2x. Okay, what's next? We're just going to so we have 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2. We're gonna distribute the 1/2. 2 by 2 will cancel out right here. So we're gonna have cosine square 2x minus 1 over 2. Then this minus 1 over 2 will cancel out by this. Then 2, 2, we're just gonna have cosine square 2x. So this is true. Yeah, that would be all. Thank you.